So I'm a glutton for punishment because I'm back here at this lake. See the recycle bin? All my monster cans are in that recycle bin. It's probably the only reason I come to this lake, and I end up coming here, unloading my recyclables, and then I end up fishing this place. And it's definitely not my favorite spot. I like the lake. It's a cool lake. It's a good sized lake. There's plenty of area to paddle around, plenty of space to fish. It's just the fishing sucks for the most part, and that's never fun. But it's also a challenge, so there is that. You know, you always like a good challenge. I've never caught anything decent size-wise out of here. Back in the day, a few years back, I used to have a ton of hydrilla in this lake, and you could catch quite a few fish. Come out in the afternoon, you know, easily catch 10, have a good time. And it's just not like that anymore, man. So it's kind of a struggle, and when you do catch them, you know, like I said, you only catch a few little ones. So it's windy, man. It's fall. We'll see what happens. It's fall weather at least. Toss around some reaction baits. I got a little square bill tied on to start off with. There's plenty of docks if we want to slow down and pitch at some dock posts. You know, there's plenty of stuff to fish. It's not like, you know, the lake looks juicy. There's lily pads around the corner we can fish around. There's stuff to fish. It's been a long time since I've had a really good day out here. So, well, we're gonna give it a shot. As always, nothing better to do but give it a shot. So let's get to it. Oh, there's one. There's a fish. There we go. Oh, come here, buddy. Nice. There's one. Oh, he hoovered it. All right, there we go. Now we're on the board. Not a big one. That's about what we expect to catch out here. Something. Let's see. See how dark that fish is. That's nice. Florida bass. 13. 13. Skinny. 13, 8 1/4. There you go, buddy. All right. There's another bite. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Come on out of there. Oh, come on, come on. There we go. Oh, is that a little better? Nice. He's a little better. Oh, God. I'm losing him. There we go. Gotcha. All right. Couple drifting through some pads, baby. Nice. Oh, God. There we go. Okay. All right. That's a little better. That's a little better, guy. Jeez. Got measured a little better. It's definitely a little better. Where are we at? We're at 15. Give him 15 3/4. Okay. All right, here's another one. Another dark Florida bass. See how dark they get, man? What's that dark tannic water we have down here? All these lily pads and stuff, you pull them out, they'd be pitch black. Pretty cool. Not a terrible one. fish. There we go. There we go. He's a little guy. All right. So we caught a couple drifting along some sparse field of pads. We kind of ran out of that area, so I didn't want to paddle the other side of the lake where there's more of that kind of cover. So I figured we'd try and flip a little Neko rig around some docks. Another little bass. Let him go. Ooh, there's one. Oh, come on, get it out of there. There we go. Oh, God. Another little tiny guy. Look at that. Another little baby fish. All right. Oh, put that out. Oh, there he goes. So I feel like that was exactly what I said would happen in the beginning. We caught a few little fish, you know, tooled around, had to slow down. There wasn't really a reaction bite going on, standard, whatever. And that was it. I showed you guys the size fish that are in this lake. I feel good about it. That's a pretty damn average day out here. That's why I pretty much just come here. I dump my recycling in, I tool around for a couple hours, and then I get the hell out because there's not much going on. There's I mean, I live in Orlando. There are 50 billion lakes in this town. I mean, you can't drive 5 minutes without hitting 17 different spots to drop in and go fishing. I come here over and over again because it's a pretty lake to fish. I like it. It's enjoyable, but I do not come here often for this reason. It's not the best fishing, and there's a lot better to be had. So it was good. I got my recycling done and caught a couple fish. Can't ask for too much more, even though I'm complaining. But anyways, until next time, we'll figure out somewhere better to go next time. Next video will be better, I promise.